Today, we're making crispy yeast croissants with pistachio cream and raspberries. You can use any filling, but this one's delicious, so I recommend it. You'll find the exact ingredients list in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe. You can also find all my recipes on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. First, crumble yeast into a bowl, add a spoon of sugar, and mash it all together. Add egg, cream, and cold butter. Then measured flour, a pinch of salt, and knead it all into a uniform dough quickly. Put the dough in a bag and chill it for an hour in the fridge. Divide the dough into 2 parts, each of these parts. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. Once done, dust with sugar or frost as desired. Enjoy!